guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're heading to a local Volkswagen event called Viva La V-Dubs in Carrollton, Georgia, at a fun little brewery. I got Lazy VQ with me, aka Kason, and today's video is be kind of odd because originally we were intending to go to Import Alliance. That wound up falling through, unfortunately for me, being the only person in the friend group who bought a physical ticket, meaning I'm eating the cost, but it's fine. I'll make more money. Money isn't the end of the world, so. But we got Casey with me, who's going to be riding along for our adventure today. And today's video is actually something I saw on TikTok about a year or two ago that went pretty viral. It was a really cool concept. And if you guys don't watch my second channel, you guys may not know I have one of these. This is a DSi XL. We're gonna be taking pictures at a car event with a DSi XL. It's a very retro style photo because, I mean, obviously, for those who've owned DSi XLs and know the cameras on these things, they're trash compared to modern day cameras. And so the goal is just to have fun and do something a little bit different, have some classic style pictures on some older cars, even that we're taking in 2023. So I mean, why not, right? There'll be pictures like we took them in 2001. But, you know,
like ancient.
Yeah, they're just 22 years newer. How
they did in like Japan whenever they were in the 90s, taking up like hitting the toge and all that stuff.
Right.
Like those.
So
that'd be cool. We're
gonna hit the road. So this video is gonna be probably up a little bit later than I would have intended for it to be because of that. Now you guys probably have already seen the video by now. We just installed a Borla S-Type catback on this car. Very, very loud. And Kason's a big fan of it. We're gonna take it for our first little cruise that's longer than 30 minutes and we'll see how she does, and I'll catch you guys when we get to the show and we'll have a good time.
I was gonna intro while you're introing, but
I talk so loud.
no, I mean, I wasn't worried about that.
Oh, it's hot in here.
It feels good.
Oven. I don't like being hot. Get that cold start. I guess it's a warm start. What do you think?
Huh?
What do you think of that?
It's actually not that bad. I mean, it is a warmer, cold start, but it's
lukewarm start.
Yeah, it's not that obnoxious, you know. Last night though, when you started it up, that was
a full cold start.
That was loud, but it's nice. I like this.
We're gonna hit the road, and we'll catch up to you guys when we get to the event. All right, guys, we've made it to the little Volkswagen show. Casey's got my DS on me, so we're gonna, or DSi, I guess, to be legit. But we're gonna hang out here. We're waiting on Tyler to get here with this 370, and then he's probably gonna go drink because this is his favorite place to go. Michael's just came back from work and he hasn't seen the catback. No one knows what the catback except for him, who's seen it in person and heard it in person. I installed the thing. I helped. But we got this really nice Mark 6. I've been trying to sell, because this guy's thinking about getting a Mark 5. I'm really trying to sell him on the 6 too. But he's really leaning towards the 5. Of course, we got the 7 in the house, which looks okay from a distance right now. So, what's that in the headlight? Oh, it's a bug.
Yeah, what are those?
It's a dragonfly, it looks like.
Mosquito hawks.
Oh, I must have hit it last night. Ugh. That's nasty.
Yeah, he's in there.
Yep.
Pressure washer.
Yep. So, we're gonna walk around and take some cool pictures with the DSi and see what kind of cool stuff we can get while we wait on the other two to show up. It is hot.
Yeah, just a little bit.
H-A-W-T. And yeah, we're gonna have a good time. We'll see how long it takes for my Mercedes F1 shirt to get lambasted. It's just, you know, it's a rival company. And yeah, we'll catch up with you guys as we go and have fun. Do both. Should be recording now.
Yeah.
There we go. A little test photo. You guys can't see it because this glare is horrible. But took a picture of these two.
Pretty cool from what I can see.
Yeah, this is mostly for taking pictures of the old stuff. We got some Eurovans and Beetles over here. And Kason's gonna be my lovely cameraman to help me out with this. So, like I said, we're doing something just kind of unique. It's the oldest camera I physically own, which I know is interesting because it's a game console, but it's cool at the same time because it gives you that kind of smash to the past kind of thing. So, very retro styled photos, which is what I went with.
That's actually
it's pretty cool, isn't it? I mean, DSi, oh. Even older.
A3. I'm gonna say A3. I don't know, but your front lip that you have.
A little bit. Probably better in every way. I won't fall off.
Debadged. Yeah.
I think it's since it's dual exit. I think it's
Dual
probably
exhaust, yeah.
It's probably an A. I don't know. The S4. I don't think the S4 had quad tips either though. I don't know. We'll just wait until he leaves. We'll see if we hear a V8 or if we hear a 4-cylinder.
It's most likely the 4-cylinder. Seeing as it's got smaller brakes, it's got base brakes.
It'd be the S4.
It would have like 4-piston in the front.
Those brakes probably stop on a dime though.
It would have 4-piston in the front if it were different. The V8, I think.
Let's see how this breaks it up. It's a little bit hard to shoot because it's so dim on the screen. I can't see the screen very well.
It doesn't look bad though. That's pretty cool.
It's cool. Like, it's weird. Like, I'm not shooting my actual phone camera, but for getting like old school style photos, I guess it's just the way to go for me. I wish my dad was here. He could probably tell me exactly what it is. If it's a 12 or a 13 or if it's 16.
Yeah. It's got the old Allstate sticker on it.
Yeah. There's the buses and stuff. I like all of these, dude. This is fun. I'm having a good time. I know the air-cooled stuff isn't your thing.
I don't mind the Porsches, but...
Oh, yeah.
But, yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of the older bugs.
What? I still find that blasphemous, but... I mean, Volkswagen as it exists when they just allowed it. Let's see how this goes. I think this will be cool. That was a pretty good one, if you can see it at all.
I don't think the camera can, but
I'm gonna put them up. Good. I'm gonna put them up in the video as we edit it.
Nice.
You can kind of see it on the top screen now, because it's been putting it up on the top screen every time I take a picture.
Kind of see it. Yeah, you'll see it for sure in the video once he edits.
Yeah, here an exhaust. Oh, it's Michael.
You almost look like that kid that was in the fight and switched the laptop.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
That was funny.
Hey! Yeah. Taking pictures of us. It's like a retro, because this camera's like crap. So it's like taking pictures of like old cars and this makes it look like an old picture. You missed the racket I was making all over here. I'm not gonna rev it or nothing. No! No! I'm not being that guy. I'll rev it. I want you to be that guy. You gotta get, dude, a little something.
I told him to pull on a...
Your tips aren't straight.
Trust me, they're as straight as they can be. Yeah, he wouldn't tell Hayden like.
I told him I was going to tell him no comment. Meaty? Yeah, I said no comment,
yeah.
and I was stickers. Oh, I didn't know that. We're going over GTI here, so.
Yeah, as soon as we parked, we pulled up, walked up, and looked at his car.
I was going to park out there, but I didn't figure it was like a very exclusive. No, there's a Ram over there. There's an Audi.
I just got here. I didn't think he was coming.
He pushed me up to the other side.
I didn't know he was on his way. He was coming too.
There's one that goes around back. Some bugs. Look at that boy. I didn't think you were coming. I thought you were hanging out with everybody.
I was. We did his family.
Do what? Gosh dang, Ron.
Let me see what's going on over here.
We'll go park first.
What's going on over here?
We'll go park. We're about to leave. No, we're not.
Okay, let's go.
Nah. So, what's happening right here? Just stand right here. What the hell?
Stand where?
Right there?
You should look at his... Recording now.
It's recording?
Yeah, it's good. I want you to see it. We want to get your reaction of the headlights. No?
You got exhaust?
The same behind it.
Your headlights make noise?
No, it'd be funny if they did though. Don't redline it. He's not stopping me, so I'm gonna. Oh, there. Don't do it. Michael, that guy in my car. Oh, it's too late. You're not stopping me. So.
Do it.
Stop.
Hurry up.
I'm waiting for the... I said stop. I'm not stopping you.
Turbo whistle? Okay.
Yeah, if Jordan could rev it, actually, you probably would have been like thrown off. But he was like, whack.
No, I heard it when I'm looking at the lights.
In the front, to be honest, you can't tell.
No, I could tell
it?
he had exhaust work though.
But not that much in the front.
We'll do it later.
We'll do it later. Totally different.
How would you not, dude? I would be doing everything I can to hear what it sounds like. He hasn't done his launch control yet.
Oh my god.
Like to even hear it. I don't have the factory launch control anymore. It doesn't matter. Any kind of whack.
Wait, so who put it on?
Last night.
Yesterday.
Tell me.
Got the old.
Yeah, we were
one
trying to
off
keep
in,
this
like,
secret.
15 minutes. Got the old one off and put the new one on.
You should have said taillights. I was about to say taillights, but then it would have been like.
Well, yeah, it was. I didn't want to notice the tips being not black.
Yeah. Is there a whole cat back?
Yep. Borla for squad now.
Borla S type.
Okay, I like it. No, it sounds way better. I gotta hear it when it's
sounds
driving.
good. It's loud.
It is pretty loud.
You want me to go drive it up the road?
Let me drive it.
Oh.
I got you.
Well, now
How come there's only?
You drove it last night.
I know, but he hasn't heard it driving outside.
I'm thinking there's gonna be.
I don't care. I'll hear it later when we're cruising.
Make sure you let off at above 3,000 RPM.
Oh no, no, the pops are gunshots now. I hate it.
Come on, let's go up that way. All right, let's go this way. Come on.
Don't move my seat.
I've actually not even heard it outside the car yet either, so.
Damn, that's it echoing.
That's why I was hesitant to let him drive it. I knew he was gonna.
It sounds really good though, and the upshift.
How the echoes all I'm talking about, man.
It's not your car, it's that bitch. That's. Oh, it's an old man.
It literally sounds like a gunshot.
That's why I want to get rid of them now. $70.
Last night it did one massive gunshot sound, and it was so fucking loud.
I can't stand the loud.
You don't like being loud. You got an exhaust and don't like to use it.
I want to hear it now. Nah.
Let me do one pull. Do one pull.
Pulled over my car.
I would get the ticket.
Yeah, I get it.
I know, but it's the record on my car, I think.
There's no record on the car, wouldn't it?
It'd be under your name. It'd be me.
Yeah, it would be under your name.
That was freaking. What'd you think?
I won't go too crazy either.
Don't make the pops go nuts, though.
No,
blow his cat out. I want to see catalytic conversion. Dude, that is. How's everybody having holy shit? It's only $800. The fact that my car's 20,000 years old. Did you hear the D-cell though? Yeah. Look out! Dude, you should have put a camera in the car, dude. I was giggling like a motherfucker. The turbo whistle's obnoxious. Dude, that sounds so good on D-cell. Low speed D-cell. It's all it's all turbo whistle, low speed. Look at that! Oh, it is recording. Dude, that sounds good. Yeah, That sounds bad. The pop's gotta go. I like the rest of it. The pop's gotta go. No. What do you think, Ron? Oh my God. What do you think?
I think you should leave it how it is.
No, the pop's gotta go.
No, you're crazy. You don't have to pop. Ron loves to pop.
That's the thing. I don't know how to make it not pop.
Leave it in normal mode.
But then the manual sucks.
Well, then tell them to fix normal mode and make it the same as sport.
That's the thing. The DSG tunes OTS, they can't do that.
Okay, well, make normal mode have the pops and sport mode not.
Well, then it will pop all the time leaving work because I drive mostly in normal mode.
You're such a slut.
Well, I can't do custom mode with it. Gosh dang, you can hear him from a mile away.
I can't hear it now.
Tyler?
This is gonna be way faster.
Turbo whistle's obnoxious. Yeah, I hit that at full speed because I didn't notice until he told me. I bowled over that. Yeah, go park it.
That sounds... It's not even raspy.
That turbo whistle. That's like my favorite part about it was the turbo whistle, low speed.
I mean, it's not the river.
That's where I was parked?
On the left.
Oh, on the left now.
Yeah, but...
AI traffic.
So, Ron, what's your opinion?
I like it.
Out of 10?
11. I'll give it like a 8.5.
8.5?
Yeah.
I'll take it.
What about my car?
I give it an 8.5 because you're gonna take the pops away. That's why. It'd be a 10 if you leave the pops.
What about my car? Out of 10.
For not having a resonator, it's not bad. I debated getting a resonator.
Too fast.
That's too fast.
Down.
Your car, I like the way it sounds with all the air, but that's restriction, isn't it? Like your turbo sounds really good. Yeah, it just sounds like it's fucking.
There's a lot of mud right here.
Sucking wet. He decided to walk in the grass.
You did? I was following you.
Huh? Why didn't you go wide open?
Huh?
I went wide open.
I did on the way back. I didn't want
Jeff on?
I can't hear it on the way back.
You
So?
can hear echo, I'm sure.
I mean,
What'd you think? Jeff on?
Me? Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Even though you've driven it before now?
I wish I could treat it like it was my car.
oh, I did.
Shoot. Yeah, you did.
I don't want to piss Jordan off, so.
I was trying not to get kicked out.
Yeah, that too. I didn't want to.
How would they kick you out?
I don't know. Being loud?
Pop in here.
I mean, yeah. That's why I wasn't revving in here.
Like Harley Davidson's. So.
Don't be hating. I don't know, the air-cooled goodness.
What's he doing?
Moving over here.
Yeah, you like it though?
Yeah.
I like that.
That sounds good.
Said he's gonna
It's not
probably-
even raspy.
So he's gonna.
I don't know what you were worried about.
It can be on decel at about above 3,000. It can be raspy, but he's wanting to remove the pops, and he's wanting to possibly put an ultra quiet resonator in the string section.
I think the only thing keeping it from being ungodly raspy is just having that cat.
Yeah, if it had
Oh,
no
for
cat,
sure,
it
yeah.
would be stupid.
I guess I'm gonna cut for now until Tyler gets here.
All right.
Even though, granted, he's not gonna get